Real quick before the video begins, I just want to give a huge shout out to the Garbage Family Show. They were the channel that inspired me to do this whole YouTube thing in the first place. I'm so grateful for them in so many ways. They have helped me as a small YouTuber with tips, suggestions, and so many different things to get this channel off the ground. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're not subscribed to them already, do yourself a favor and do so. They are some of the best people I know. So again, thank you to the Garbage Family Show. And with that said, let's get it.
Well, post-Christmas destruction. We are getting crushed out here today.
Joe, we are getting crushed here.
Happens every year after Christmas. You know, there's so many boxes and Christmas trash and all kinds of stuff. So it's pretty heavy out here. I mean, it's not like crazy, but it's definitely heavier than normal. Well, week was going fine at the beginning until it wasn't. So we'll kind of see. I was in front load yesterday and we needed help in side load yesterday, so this route was open on Monday, so we had nobody running this route yesterday. Probably a little heavier than it normally would have been. Just gives these people an extra day to put stuff out. Especially this area here. This area can run pretty heavy if you give them time to get stuff out. As you can notice, I'm not in my normal tractor. This is one of our spare tractors that we have. Mine's getting some work done at the local dealership. My exhaust manifold decided to break.
I think mine is broken.
And the drive line needed some work, so it's getting some TLC. It's been there, I don't know, it's probably been there about 2 weeks now. Got my gloves on, my hat. It's pretty cold out. I mean, it's for being almost January, it's still really nice outside, so no complaints here.
My God, no complaints.
Before this video ends, real quick, if you're enjoying the real side of trash collection, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. And if you know someone who watches garbage trucks all day, share this video with them. And if you're not already subscribed, now's the time. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, and hitting that milestone would mean so much to me. This channel shows the job how it really is. No filters, no fluff. Thanks for riding along, and welcome to Behind the Pile.
Ooh, a safe. I wonder if there's anything in it. I doubt it. I don't know if this will it crush? I don't know.
She's 1,200 pounds of pure crushing power.
Yikes! That thing is solid metal. Might take a couple of pushed in far enough. Jeez. First time I've ever, in 3 years out here, I've ever dumped a safe. See? You just never know what you're gonna find out. Well, week was going fine at the beginning until it wasn't. Yeah, we are getting absolutely crushed on this route right now. I got 3 guys today. I got my man Darren on the tractor right now. I got Joe. Joe's here like always. Darren, say what's up. He's the man of many words. He's always hidden. He's like a ninja. One of these days I'll have to do a face reveal on Darren. His face is always hidden. We're using 2 different trucks today, if you notice that I'm in old Whitey again, but I got my truck back. So this is the truck that Darren's driving right now. This is everybody's favorite truck when their truck breaks down. He usually drives a Mack.
Is your name Semi because you were the size of a huge Mack truck?
Oh, reliable when we need her. A little dirty in here. What do you do? It's a garbage truck. And it's nobody's like day-to-day truck. But man, you got the wood paneling. Woo! This truck's clean. It looks real good. Let's see if I can get this toilet. Whoa. Yeah. This little John would say, yeah. So when we're doing a 3-man, everybody kind of has a job. Obviously, Darren's on the tractor. Joe, he's the guy riding on the back right now. And then I'm driving. It's not just as simple as just driving the truck. You gotta still get out, run the hopper, run the sweep if need be. You're just kind of adding assistance to Joe on the ground. There's a lot of times where you don't need to get out, but I get out mostly every time just cause. Provide assistance.
Providing assistance.
If he needs help throwing some stuff in or anything like that. But yeah, 3-mans, if you do them right, whew, you can get a lot done in a day. Like, we'll get 3 trucks, no problem today. I mean, it's heavy, so that makes a difference. But not any normal day, you could get 2.5 to 3 trucks with a 3-man if you got guys that know what they're doing.